Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to change currency in Roblox. Okay, first things first, what you want to do is to open your web browser. Go to the Roblox website by typing roblox.com in the address bar and pressing enter. Here in the address bar, replace home with gift cards and press enter. The URL should read something like roblox.com/giftcards. On the Roblox gift cards page, choose the recipient for the gift card. Click on the blue Pick a Gift Card button. Then, you will be presented with options for different currencies based on your location. Select the currency you want to use from the available option. In this example, let's say you choose or we choose Australian dollars. After selecting the currency, click the blue Send a Digital Card button. You will be then prompted to choose a design for the gift card. Choose the desired design and click the Next button. Just follow the steps to complete the gift card purchase process. This will involve providing payment information and confirming your purchase. The purchase will be then conducted in the currency you selected earlier. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make. So, we can help you. And that's it. You can now change currency in Roblox. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.